Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will automatically delete empty folders from any sort of directory or any sort of path. So empty folders can be a very tedious task because they can be just be consuming space without uh, it will be very frustrating process. So this Python script will automatically scan your directory and delete those empty folders which are there. Let me walk you through the Python script. For this, we are using the operating system module, and then we specify the folder name which you are targeting. You just need to give the name of the folder or the full path. After that, we simply get the total number of folders which are there in this directory. So using operating system walk method, we use this and pass the root location, and then we simply say 1 colon, and this will give you a total number of folders which are there inside this. After that, we loop through each folder and like this, and basically we print the content of each folder, and if the folder is empty then we delete that folder. Very simple logic. And this is the condition right here. If folder 2, so if the folder is empty, we simply call the remove directory function of Python in the operating system module. We give the folder name. That's all. So now if you run this, if you put dot here, this will treat the current working directory, the root directory. It will scan for all the empty folders which are there. So as you can see in this, there is one empty folder right here, which is this folder. It doesn't contain anything. If I try to execute this script here, first of all, I have given the script in the description of the video. So let me just run this app 27. So you will see it will delete all these empty folders. So this is actually the script. You can do this very easily inside Python, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.